Hello, this is Eddie from WMR here in Stuart, Florida. I'm here to show you a couple of neat parts that come on a 2026 300 XC-W Hard Enduro Edition. The KTM model comes with now your typical 2024 twin chamber forks that all the KTM woods bikes have been coming with. Your Husqvarnas, even now your GASGASes. But this new Hard Enduro Edition that KTM coming out with comes with two neat parts that is something that you can actually buy and throw onto your, say, your 2024, 2025, or any other base model XC, FE, woods bikes. First, you have the spring tube. So if you've seen the one that comes on the base model, you'll see that it's, for starters, this is black. It's very different. Then you'll notice the orifices. So you have round holes here, and then you have these D shapes over here. Not to really get too specific on what's the difference between this one and your base model version of the spring tube, but the fact that, say, the bigger the orifice, the more oil will want to flow. So meaning that this will have sort of a smoother, just less harsh bottoming resistance than your base model spring tube, just due to the fact that you do have bigger orifices where oil will flow. That's one neat part that you can buy and also add on to your base model KTM woods bike. The second one, where I think is my favorite, in all honesty, now you have the ability to adjust preload on the reservoir spring. Sort of like you're adjusting the high-speed compression on your shock. You pretty much have that 17mm nut, but now with the new shocks, you have that gray knob. You're essentially doing the same thing as this. Clockwise, you're adding tension to the spring internally. So, for one, it's a great addition to being able to adjust the suspension, and really another way to fine-tune the suspension, the forks for a rider. Say this goes inside the cartridge, and one thing that will stand out to you is that, okay, now we have a new compression adjuster, this red adjuster. On the red adjuster, you will find that you see a COMP, just indicating this white one is your compression, low speed compression. And then you'll have on the cap itself, it says preload. But it's easy to get mixed up and think, okay, I'm adjusting main spring preload. Pretty much preload that you would be putting onto the spring tube, but that's not the case. The preload, like I was saying initially, is that you're adjusting preload on this reservoir spring. So something that it could do, help out a rider, is that if a rider maybe is looking for more high-speed hold-up, you take a big hit in the front end and you feel like, man, this thing's just diving a little too much. This red adjuster here will be your best friend. And again, this is something that you can buy and get installed into your base model woods bikes by KTM that do not have this adjuster. But it can be bought and installed, and everything works as it should. But those are just two pieces that I feel like are very neat, that are new to the WP lineup, that you can buy and then also put onto your base model KTMs, but it comes stock with your 2026 KTM 300 XC-W Hard Enduro. If you have any more questions, maybe say you're new to this and then you're like, okay, it's a new adjuster to get confused with, it can be, but if you learn how to use it, it can definitely, like I said, it can be your best friend. But thank you guys for watching, and until next time, thank you.